Okay, I'm using a DiskSpeed32, measuring the speed of the one compact flash, and it's about 19 megabits a second, and over here it says 45. Now the reason it's slower is it's running through this old 33 class IDE from this computer here from 1998. So if you run a 45 class card through a lower IDE spec, you get about 18 on here, and that's fairly typical. So what happens is the older controller caps the speed limit. If I go over and halt this and connect this to hard drive 0, I'm going to measure the disk-on module, which is connected to a high-speed IDE card. And there it is, running about 37 to 38 megabits per second. And that's over here with the disk-on module running through this card. So this is a modern high-speed IDE card on a PCI slot, so the disk-on module can run full bore. If I went ahead and connected this type of device through a connector, higher speed cable than this, to this, I reverse these two, this will actually read a lot closer to the 45 megabits. But anyways, this is kind of typical where you're running a card through an older IDE. This one's from 1999, 1998, and it's what they call a 33 class speed IDE controller, and this is on a IBM 6892 or 6862 old Pentium 3 box used in an embedded system. And if I use a little bit slower card, it kind of gets, it's the slower of the two, so the card can be the limit or the controller. Sometimes I use these on some more modern machines, so I prefer to get the faster card. Here the disk-on module is measuring over here with what they call DiskSpeed32. It's around 38 megabits. And these little marks on here, just because I'm jiggling the mouse. When you jiggle the mouse and everything, you kind of interrupt the computer. So over here, the C drive right now is the compact flash, and the disk-on module over here, I'm stepping on something, is the other 8 gig unit. If I go here and look at properties, this is in FAT32. Go look at this one, properties. I've got the compact flash DiskSpeed32. Anyways, there's the speed. Turn this off. I can go over here and open up Photoshop or something, and want to connect to the internet. And I got a little hash here on the screen because of got a loose connector over here on the monitor. Anyways, that's just some interesting stuff about controllers. This type of IDE to compact flash deal I like because it's got a little LED that lights when it's doing something. And since I've cloned this system over to this, I'm going to go through and swap positions and see if I can boot off the disk-on module now.